Hi everyone, welcome to the Agri Science channel. Today we are going to see important agricultural facts for various competitive exams of India and AP also. This will be useful for various all competitive exams, especially APPSC, TPPSC, Agriculture Officer exams, and also APPSC Group 2 mains examination, Group 1 prelims examination, and also Panchayat Secretary examinations also. We can use these facts. So first we will see what are the agricultural related facts in India, and then we will see agriculture related facts in AP. So first, agriculture scenario in India. So food grain production, total food grain production was 53.2 million tons, and contribution to GDP growth rate in GDP is 4.1%, and contribution to GDP is 16.5%, and contribution to total employment, that is number of total population, 49% of people dependent on agriculture. And if we compare with world, total geographical area is 2% of the world's geographical area, and population was 17.5% based on 2011 census, and livestock 15%, forest area 21.34%. This we have to remember. India forest area is 21.34%. Total geographical area is 329 million hectares, and in that grass cropped area is 193.76 million hectares, and net sown area is 141 million hectares, and irrigated area is, this you have to remember, 65.3 million hectares, and this was to 64.57 million hectares. This was 2016-17 levels. And coming to the total milk production, it was increased by 4.38% when compared to 2016-17 Kharif. During 2016-17 Kharif, that was and recorded at 154.50 million tons, and this is the GSDP of Andhra Pradesh and GDP of India. And GDP of India at current constant prices is growth percentage is 7.1%, and constant prices we will take into consideration by taking into 2011-12 base year instead of before it was 2004-5 base year. Now it was 2011-12 base year, and Andhra Pradesh, it was GSDP is 11.61, and this is expected during 2016-17, not actual. It was estimated 11.61. This you have to remember it. And 7.1%, and contribution to GDP, it was 14.1%. that also you have to remember. And agriculture, coming to the Andhra Pradesh agriculture at a glance, total geographical area is 162.97 lakh hectares. This was in lakh hectares, and in that net area sown was 62.08 million lakh hectares. That was in percentage, it was 38.09%, and current fallow land is 14.10%, 10 lakh hectares, that was 8.65%. Forest area, this you have very important, forest area 22.63%, that was 36.88 lakh hectares, and land put to non-agriculture uses, it was 12.47%, that was figure if we see 20.32 lakh hectares, and barren and uncultivable land is 13.47, that was 8.27%. In net area sown, you have to remember both figure and also percentage. Mostly they will give for these exams 2016-17 and economic survey was released, so they will give 2016-17 levels facts, so you have to remember this. Sometimes they will ask this also, but most probably they will ask the 2016-17 levels, so you have to remember this 62.08 net area zone, that you have to remember. And also coming to the rainfall, 534 mm during southwest monsoon, and northeast monsoon it was 85 mm, but normal we had to receive and 556 mm and 296 mm, but it was the deficit by 4%, and so during northeast monsoon it was very high, it was 76%. So these figures you have to remember, it's very important. At least 2 marks you will get by using these figures. So try to remember all these figures. Thank you.